Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Racer Blue. But before we get into the shoe itself, make sure you check out the solesupplier.co.uk, sign up, turn on release reminders so you never miss a banging release like this one right here. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. So there's going to be an elephant in the room. I will be wearing the same outfit for the next 3 unboxings. Don't let me know in the comments. I know I'm probably going to look like a right dirty little bastard. But at the end of it, there's coronavirus and we are struggling to get all these unboxings out in time. But let's get into the shoe. You don't want to know about all that. These are unreal. I'm not going to lie, I wasn't a fan of the patent looking leather all the way across the upper, but I put them on foot and they are so comfortable. Coming with Zoom Air technology in the heel, compared to the traditional Air unit that you'd normally have. The spring is absolutely crazy and they make the Air Jordan 1 even more comfortable than ever. Couple this with patent leather hits and plastic overlays all the way across it. The tumbled leather is buttery and it is an unreal sneaker all the way across the board. Come with pure platinum and then the Racer Blue, aforementioned Racer Blue. This shoe is all about the smaller details. So as you can see, we have Zoom Air to the tongue and then, ooh, would you look at that heat map underfoot, has loads of little Zs as well, so with that the Zoom Air is further represented, and then we're rounded off with one final hit of Zoom right here. They will be available from March the 14th, so this coming Saturday, and they will retail at £155 and they fit true to size. In terms of resale, there's not too much, but you know, as per usual, where you goddamn kicks. Make sure you're buying these to rock them, beat the living life out of them and enjoy them. And to round it off, Nike have been really nice. Even give you a spare pair of laces. What more could you ask for? I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Jordan 1 Zoom and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. But before you leave, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button. See ya.